Hi and welcome to our online tutorial. So today I'm just going to be reviewing what's found on the website and how to get to our school homepage, our library homepage, and access the different resources that we have. So the very first thing that we have to do is we have to get to our Hempstead Schools District website. That is our landing space. So we're going to go to www.hempsteadschools.org. and it will take you here. So this is where we want to start off, and we take our mouse and we hover over school. So you want to make sure that you're under Hempstead Union Free School District, and right under the third tab says schools, and we want to just go down to where it says Front Street School. I don't have to click anything. I just hover my mouse over schools. I go down and I click on Front Street School. This is our landing page. This is where we want to be in order to access all of our resources. So we know that we're in the right spot because it says Front Street Elementary School. If I scroll down, I see a picture of Mrs. Carson, of Miss Mantaneo, and then site shortcuts. Right underneath, it says Library Media. We'll click here, and this is where we land on our school library page. It says welcome to Library Media, and on the left hand side you'll see that it has databases, typing, and coding, and so all of that is detailed on the website. But if we click on databases, it gives us a list of all the different databases. We can click view all, and as we scroll down, more of those databases show up. Now, an important thing to know is that we can't click on the bolded letters because that's not the link. We have to make sure that we click on the link in order to access that database. So when I click on these links, it will actually open the resource in a different tab. So I click, and it comes right up on a separate tab. I can explore, I can look at any of the different information. This is a great database to look at different articles. If I no longer want to be there, I can simply exit the tab, and I will be back here to where the other databases are. So we have databases like BrainPop. Again, we click the link. It opens it in a new tab, and I can begin to explore the website. The other links that we have are typing and coding. So again, we want to always make sure that we land on this home page from hempsteadschools.org, then Front Street School, and Library Media. And we have typing. So here we'll find just a few links for some typing activities. And the great thing is, again, you click the link and you can just get started. It opens it right away. If I want to click on ABCYA, here again, I click on the link, and it takes me to a keyboarding challenge. If I go down, there's different typing challenges, typing games as well. Again, I close out the tab, and if you want to switch over to coding, you can simply switch over to coding, or if you're opening the website for the first time, again, you have to remember those first steps of getting to hempsteadschools.org and finding Front Street Elementary School. So here under coding, again, we have all of these different links that open in a new tab. It doesn't take you out of the library homepage, so it's very easy to navigate. All of the links have been curated for your grade. We have a lot of great activities, a lot of great coding from JavaScript to blocks. So you can always explore. You hit that view all button, and there's a lot more activities and coding links for you. So this is basically just an overview of what's found in the website. You can begin to explore, you can begin to learn, and I hope that this video made it easy for you guys to understand how to use our wonderful library resources.